Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to take the topic on level of detail. If it comes in the level of detail, how a game design is introduced and what all the levels can be included in game design, and those presentation devices the genre of game design, highlighting the unique characteristics and also the gameplay and the historical evolution. All those things comes included in the level of detail. So when it comes to adventurous games, the adventurous games has the story driven exploration, adventurer game exploration, narrative and exploration, and and also in the form of rich environments, because the environment is more important when we comparatively to all. In the gameplay, the environment is more important and attractive to the game users. And also variety of gameplay is included, such as adventurous games, sports game, thrilling games, horror games. Those kind of games can come in the form of a mechanics to open the world exploration. So how we will explore the role play games, RPGs. So when we come to the role playing games, the role playing games are the genre that focuses on the character. So it will be more focusing on the character, how the character is to be created, how a storytelling takes place, and how the exploration takes place. And also they provide an immersive experiences through which the detailed character development and the narrative will be so rich and clear, so that they will explain about how the character and also the expansive words, each and every word will be clear related to the character. So the players can engage deeply with the content and also leading to the various gameplay experiences. So when we explore the role play, we have to explore the character development and the narrative depth and also the world building. So when we take the character development creates the characters and equal to the domain, how the domain forwards and how it takes, everything will be concluded in that. And also the narrative should be full depth, where it shows intricate storylines and allowing the players to make choices that are effective outcomes. So in that way we can able to find it out. Next is the world building. So when we come to the world building, the building is that when the RPG often have the features, how the experience takes place, everything get encouraged and gives dependent to the world good. Simulation games. Simulation games is nothing but it enriches how those realistic scenarios and creative freedom and educational value all takes place in the form of simulation. So when it comes to simulation, the realistic scenarios, when it is a realistic scenario, the simulation game replicates same like the real world. What all the things comes in real world. When we take a car game, a race car game, so the race car will be so realistic, same like the real car race, how it happens. So that's why they are focusing more on the realistic scenarios. Whereas the creative freedom, when it comes to creative freedom, the players can they can personalize the gameplay and also the environments. So it also helps in using the education value. So we can learn how to design, how the development takes place, how the realistic content takes place, storytelling takes place, all comes into the educational value. The next is exploring the strategy games. So when it comes to the strategy games, the tactical decision making. So the tactical decision making has the player's plan and makes the decision more effective, and also it manages the tactical combat. When it comes to a variety of formats, the variety of formats includes the real-time strategy and catering to different player, and also the preferences takes place. When it comes to multiplayer experience, the offers competitive modes and also frustrating the community for players to test their skills against each other. So when we overview the sports game, so if we take the sports game as an example, when we overview that, so as I said before, it should be more realistic. So the representation should be more realistic. So the sports game will replicate the real game world, providing the players with an authentic experience. And also the competitive play will also takes place. The franchise management will also combine with the each and every play. So horror games also more important. When it comes to horror games, it has a survival mechanics, emotional engagement, and also psychological tension will take place because it will be so tensed, but the players will be more attractive and get connected more into the horror games. So finally, the levels of detail, how the levels has been connected with each other, whether the levels, whether more levels make more interactive with the game players, all those will have the diversity of genre and involving the landscape and also the importance of genre. So all with these only we can able to find out the level of detail. So this is how the level of detail takes place. Thank you.